That is massive.
We're actually properly like, we've never...
In our last video, we shared the beginning of our DIY kitchen renovation. If you haven't checked that out yet, hit the link in the description bar below to give it a watch. Now, in today's video, we're going to be sharing how we transformed our dining room and living room walls from this to this, with a little thing called wall paneling. After doing a lot of research, we found that the key step was preparation. To help with this, one of our relatives was able to take our measurements and our design and put them into this cool software so that we had a visual document that meant that we knew exactly how much wood to order, which was very, very helpful. Once the wood had arrived, because we had the document, we were able to measure and cut everything in advance. The other thing that was really helpful was this really cool laser, which meant that we could make sure everything was straight and everything was level.
If we put these side ones on first,
Yeah.
we'll peel it off the wall,
Yeah.
then stick it on into the corner down here, and then I'll move it along and I'll do the next one.
So we're doing the bottom one first?
Yeah, we'll try this one just so we can test it in a place that you can't see. So if it goes wrong, then it's kind of not really seen.
Okay.
That's my logic.
These are the things that we've cut now, so everything has been cut to the right length.
So what do you want your job to be?
Well, I can stick them on if you glue them.
So peel and stick.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we'll pick our first one to go on. It's going to be this one here.
Why does it feel like the laser disappears all the time?
It's because your head's in the way. I'll have to come and look.
I think that's it there.
Yeah?
So, yeah, just that's fine, yeah. That's the first one on. So is that right up into the top corner there? Yeah? Happy with that?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, if you're happy with it, that's it. Beauty. So right. Let's go.
If I had a little bit more space on the side, I'd be more comfortable. Yeah.
It's nice having a bigger sofa.
Yeah, it's really good.
Ours has always been really diddy.
It's deep as well, actually, isn't it?
It's really
It's deep.
Yeah.
But it doesn't look like too big. No, these go on. They go on top of these.
How did it?
Yeah, we got this thing.
This is a monster.
This is heavy.
Yeah, these are big old bad boys, aren't they? Yeah, these are nice. These are nice with the trim on them, aren't they?
Yeah, they didn't originally come with the piping on, but we asked to have it on, but they hadn't made one of these with piping on before. We just noticed that the seam in the shop, it just looked like it was pulling a lot.
Oh, so the piping
So-
helped.
We thought if we put some piping on
It's a good idea.
it will just make it feel...
This is a nice sofa.
It is.
Actually, like got proper back support.
Go on there, sit down.
Like, compared to that one where
Yeah,
it's
it's
like
like
there's nothing.
Wow, you can easily fit.
And then
You can,
just need cushions.
like, put your head down on the actual sofa. That is
Can you imagine?
massive.
We're actually properly like,
We've never...
you're not even reaching me.
That is that is good, isn't it?
This is a luxury. Hello, so today it is Operation Paint the Dining Room. We have painted it multiple colours. They didn't quite work for us, but thankfully we found this beautiful beige. So far, so good. You can't see it. You can't really see it now because it's basically in the evening time, so I've had to crank up the ISO on my camera so it's really bright. But hopefully tomorrow when there's natural light in here, you'll get a better sense of what it looks like in all different lights. The plan is I'm going to paint these walls, and that's the plan. That's the plan. You can see it's been a long day.